Well, in about 12 hours from now, jury selection will continue in the double murder trial of Alex Murdaugh. The former attorney is on trial for the shooting deaths of his wife and 22-year-old son, Paul. Today, Judge Clifton Newman continued to question potential jurors in the case as he works to narrow the group down. 12 jurors and up to 6 alternates will be selected before the trial can begin in Walterboro. Once a jury is seated, opening arguments will take place, followed by the first testimony in the trial. Also today, Judge Clifton Newman heard arguments on whether jurors will hear evidence about blood splatter and gun evidence. The judge denied a defense request to not allow the testimony of the man who collected the gun evidence. He also heard arguments about blood splatter on Murdaugh's shirt. But the defense agreed to wait and see if prosecutors decide to bring the expert onto the stand who wrote the report, and they will go from there. And prosecutors want to present evidence of Murdaugh's behavior and numerous other charges as evidence in court. Today, defense attorney Dick Harpootlian said there's no evidence to link his client to the murders, despite what prosecutor Jim Griffin says. Take a listen.
There's not one shred of evidence there was any problems between any of them. There's texts, pictures, people that were with him the previous weekend at a ball game, video from that day with Paul and he having a good time. There is no dispute anywhere that they were the perfect family in terms of their relationships. No divorce, no separated, no left him, no nothing. So this is a fabrication, and they want to use what Mr. Griffin described as bad character evidence.
Meanwhile, outside the courthouse now, it continued to be another busy day on the streets of Walterboro as onlookers gathered outside the courthouse, curious about the ongoing court proceedings. Walterboro city leaders say despite this being a double murder trial, they're always happy to see extra visitors in the area. And hotel workers say they're hoping once opening statements start, the area will start to see more visitors. But for right now, there hasn't been a big increase in hotel guests.
Kind of about the same as normal.
It's business as usual so far, but by Friday, it's going to be a little bit heavier. We have quite a few reservations compared to the rest of the week.
Tonight, Walterboro city leaders say they expect an additional 1,500 people in town once testimony gets underway. We will continue to have full coverage of the trial, both on air and online. You can download the free WLTX Plus app on Roku or Amazon Fire, or our free News 19 mobile app. You can go to our YouTube page or even go to WLTX.com to follow the trial minute by minute and get the very latest developments.